Good evening. I'm doing another impromptu this afternoon. Judy Allen here in San Antonio, Texas, with Adventurous Stamping and also Adventurous Stamp Retreat, and also known as Nana with Zoe and Nana Stamping. So there you go. All right, so we are still focusing on the kits that are on the BOGO sale. So the one we're doing tonight that I'm going to show you is Light the Candle. It was one that has been unavailable for a pretty good while, and they just got it in, just in time for this BOGO sale to start. So this was the time to seize your moment. You snooze, you lose on this one, all right? So let's go down the hands and let me show you this kit. All right, so this kit actually has 8 cards in it, and it's got instructions like everything else, and everything is all inclusive in the kit. This kit, you are stamping, but a lot of it's just put together easily. Now, I've already put the cards together. This is just my leftover stuff. This was actually some foam strips that came in here, glue dots, and we have some embellishments, and then we also have an ink spot here. And one thing I was going to show you is they have some very long stamps. I think you can see this right here. This one, I flip it over, it says, "Hip Hip Hooray." So when you get a long stamp like this and you think you get the block, just take it and put it diagonally across and it'll fit just fine. So everything in this kit will fit just fine. Anything that's long will fit right across this diagonal, okay? Alright. And I had leftovers, just a little bit, not a whole lot this time. But here's the 2 cards you're designing. So here's it up close. And the bling that they give you is actually being put on the candle there. It gives the sparkle, right? But there's also sparkle paper right behind here. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah, you can see the glitter on some of it. Hey, there you go. See how pretty that is? It's just very, very pretty. And it's got different things. It's got Hip Hip Hooray. We also got Happy Birthday. So here's another one with Happy Birthday with a nice slice of cake. Oh, yeah. And there's that bling right there, too. See? And you can see that they've got, again, back in the background, they have, you're actually putting on 2 pieces here. So one's being put down, the back piece has been, with the glitter part on it, it's being put down with glue dots. And this one's being used with the foam adhesive. And again, glue dots and foam adhesive. And there you go. You've got a nice dimensional, pretty card. You can see it if you turn it that way. So just super, super easy. Beautiful envelopes to go with it. Like I said, it's 8 cards, and it's super simple, super cute. So, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll try it out. You know, there's nothing like a simple card that comes up very beautiful, very sparkly, especially when you're doing birthdays or celebrating anything, because it wasn't just about birthdays. It's just celebrating you. Some days it's just about celebrating. It says light the candles, make a wish. We think of birthday, really. Today's your day, right? Wishing you, and you can fill in the blank there, make a wish. So there's different things that you put on there and different decorations as well, too. But it's just beautiful, cute, and simple, all right? It's part of the BOGO sale, so if you buy one, the other one's 50% off, and whichever is the highest price one, you can get the 50% off, all right? But you have to buy them in 2s, right? You can't buy 1 or 3 and get the BOGO sale, so you're only going to get the BOGO sale in 1, right? So enjoy, and it's all about, right? It's all about creating, sharing, and giving. And with these all-inclusive kits, there's no reason why you can't create quickly and simply. I made these cards within 30 minutes, waiting for my daughter at a doctor's appointment. So there you go. It's that simple. All right? Be blessed. Go create, share, and give. All right? I'll see you next time. Bye.